You just want to pull up and away, just like that. Okay, and slip that off, and then we're going to be taking off this feed line next. All right, let's get a little bit closer here. You can see the tops of all the coils, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we have this ventilation line that runs across the top that we're going to want to move so we can get to this coil more easily. This is that typical squeeze connection. So it's got a collar around it. You're going to squeeze top and bottom and pull the hose away. Be gentle when you do this. The plastic can get a little bit fragile over time. So just be gentle as you squeeze this. And it's going to require both hands. So I'm going to do this off camera. But I'm going to squeeze this and pull it out and away, pull this up and out of this clip, and then this ventilation line can be away from the coil. All right, so you can see I've tucked the evaporation line just very gently back where it'll stay out of the way. You could come all the way down here to this end and unclip it and get it out, but I don't see a reason why, especially when that's kind of hard to get to, and save yourself some time and trouble and don't do it. All right, so each one of your coils, 1, 2, 3, 4, are going to be the same all the way across. You have the cable that comes up with this white tab. You pull this white tab back and press down on the tab and then pull the plug. You have an E8 right here that is the bolt that holds the coil in place. So go ahead and unplug all of your coils and pull all of the bolts out, and then we're going to walk the coils off. All right, so as you can see, I've backed the screws completely out of the coils. You don't necessarily have to. They can stay in the coils as well. It's entirely up to you. The one thing I've done is you've got this insulation material that I've kind of pushed back up and out of the way. And in addition, you've got your clip here for your downpipe that you can pull out of these clips and just kind of pull up. You've got enough slack to give you a little bit of extra room for this coil.